student found, and that is how to update your assemblies when it's not updating. And that's been really frustrating, but a student found it, and I'm going to show it to you here. If I just remember where I put my assembly. There it is. Okay. So I updated the colors for a few of my parts here, but it keeps giving me the symbol that it's not going to update it. And she pointed out if you go to insert and go to where your documents are at. So I updated my wheel. When I click on it, notice it says create a version here. So I click on it and say create, and it's going to put in there that that one has been updated. And I can do that for each one of the ones that I updated the color scheme to. Huh? Anyway, get all the ones that you updated, and then this button is live, and it will load in all the new versions that you have. You click update all, and it updates them onto it. And so that's the way the force update. Because before I'd said we have to wait till the button activates. Now I know how to force update it. So again, that's just insert, press that you want a new version, and then come back and press the update button. And then that's how it works.